and Neil, who is currently taking the video, has been so much help, and he's been a guide throughout. And let me tell you that it's very mandatory to have a guide when you are going for a trek on Dudhsagar. And of course, yes, there are certain challenges from the railways, because we do have, you are not supposed to walk on the railway track, but of course, yes, Neil has ways to work it out, and it's not a disruptive thing, but he'll ensure that he will take you safely. And we had a very pleasant journey all through, and fantastic. Thanks, Neil, and it was a pleasure being with you. And the weather was so good that the time in July is very, very nice for a hike. Expect more